Welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the MySQL through command line on Windows. So basically, when I launch, I have installed the XAMPP on my Windows, and when I open the command line here, if I write MySQL, here you can see that it shows me the error that is MySQL is not recognized as an internal or external command, operating program or batch file. So in this video I will show it to you how you fix this type of error and how we can use the MySQL on command line. Okay, so as I already told you that I have installed the XAMPP. Okay, so if whatever the installation project of your MySQL, so basically my MySQL is installed inside the XAMPP. Okay, if your MySQL is installed inside the program files, then you can go to the program file. So we will move to the specific install folder of MySQL. So in this scenario, as I install the XAMPP, so by default it install the MySQL inside the XAMPP. So inside the XAMPP, this is the MySQL folder. Okay, so click on this and go to the bin. Okay, inside the bin, copy this link. Okay, and go to set is inside the environment variable. Okay, so on the search of window here I click the environment variable. I search the environment variable, and inside the environment variable click on environment variable, and inside this path click on edit, and here basically click on new and paste that specific link, that is the bin one. Okay, click on OK, and after that OK and OK. Okay, so close this CMD and again launch the CMD. Okay, and inside this CMD, if I now write the MySQL, okay, and then the, for example, my username, that is the root, and the password is by default password. Okay, here you can see that now the MariaDB MySQL is open. Okay, so this is how you can use the MySQL in command line on Windows. So hope this video will help you a lot. If you have any question regarding to this topic, you can write your question inside the video comment section, or you can basically click on the question link that is mentioned in video description. I will answer it to you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.